Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at this article that is posted by Tesla Roddy, and they got this footage from the from Reddit, and we can see here. Basically, I'm going to replay the video. It basically the charger, the drivers in the charger, they were doing donuts, and for some reason, I guess they was too fast. They lost control, and it crashed into the Cybertruck. And we can see that uh, I think there's like a bunch of maybe three people in the Chargers, and they were like they didn't know what to do. That they were frantic. So let's see if I can play the video here real quick. All right, so let's replay the video. It ran over maybe like two curbs or three curbs, and then up into the Cybertruck.
Failed it.
Like, yeah, so it looks like what, three people, teenagers. Maybe, yeah, and there's a postal truck. And according to the article, it says that the Cybertruck took a pretty well hit due to its stainless steel body. But as you can see, for some reason, right now, it looks like the Charger is in a lot of, it has a lot of smoke coming out, and the driver is just like, oh my God, what did I do? Right. So this is something that we shouldn't be doing, you know what I mean? But as with kids, with young kids, they when they're with their friends, they do crazy stuff, and this is one of the stuff that they shouldn't be doing. Just do the right thing, drive the car as it should. Don't do donuts like that, and especially in the the parking lot. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Till next time.